What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Widow from Spirit Halloween. Alright, you guys. So I have actually had my hands on this prop for a long time. I believe I got her in about February. I did set her up, but I did not do an unboxing, which actually I did. But I'm not sure. I think I deleted it accidentally. So I am taking her out now because we are going to be using her in the haunt. So yeah, figured I should film it now. That way I don't have to do it later. So let's pop this box open. This prop is made by Crazy Create. I think it's really cool. And for $200, I think it's a really cool prop. So let's take this out. Okay, so first thing that's coming out is this actually goes around the hip loop kind of. It's like kind of like a form, honestly, which I don't really get this prop's like posture, I guess what it is. It's kind of weird how she's like, ugh, but it is pretty cool. I do think it is a really cool prop. So yeah, not a big fan of this piece because I always screw it up, but hopefully it'll be better this time. Right here, this is the clothing. I think the clothing's pretty cool. You got the IR sensor right there. So yeah, pretty cool clothing. It's not really anything amazing just because, I mean, it is pretty good quality. I think this thing is waterproof, but it's just gray. So it's not anything amazing, but it is cool. Right here, we have a regular support pole. Here's another support pole right here. Also, sorry that we're in my room today. The living room is currently being used right now, and I figure I should get this out pretty soon. So, yeah. Here is the instructions for the Widow right here. Here is another support pole. Here is the hip loop, it looks like, which is a little bit different of a hip loop than usual, but it does make her posture more pronounced. Here is a hand and an arm right here. Pretty cool looking hands, not gonna lie. Here is another one right here. Right here we have the mechanism and the head coming out at the exact same time. Here it is. Yep, the mechanism is in there, and here is the head. Here we have the base, which, yeah, decent sized base. You can put some nice stuff to make sure it doesn't fall down. It has two of these little supporting things, which means she should not snap easily at all. So that is always good. Right here we have the blister chest, which is her chest form. So yeah. Here's the control box, which I've noticed is a little more heavier than the other ones, which is weird, but cool. Right here we've got some zip ties, and there's the necklace in there, I believe. Yep, the necklace and some zip ties and some screws. Oh crap, I forgot. Yeah, this is one of those props that uses screws. Here's the shoulder form. And finally, we have the 6-volt 2-amp DC adapter. So, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Let's get to the setup. Alright guys, the Widow is now plugged in. Let's see her. Alright guys, so that is the Widow animatronic from Spirit Halloween. Her hair is a hot mess right now, but I think she is really cool. I have a newfound appreciation for this prop. I really love it. For $200, I think it is almost like a freaking steal. It is a really amazing prop. She's actually like genuinely scary. Like, If you saw this thing in a dark alley and she just twisted her neck like that, that would be pretty crazy. But yeah. All right, guys. I will leave a link in the description to buy the Widow. She just came back in stock, actually, so you should go buy her. She's really cool. And yeah, the merch link will be down there too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.